Hey guys and girls, in this video we're going to take a look at the best robot vacuum cleaners. I made this list based on my personal opinion and tons of research, and I've listed them based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we'll have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the robot vacuum cleaners in the video, just subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and leave a comment with a hidden word in the video. Once we reach 1,000 likes, we will pick a winner and notify him. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best robot vacuum cleaners on the market right now. Coming at number 6, we've got the EcoVacs D-Bot 661. The D-Bot 661 may not have an impressive navigation tech as other hybrid vacuums since it lacks the laser functionality, but it's still able to clean an entire floor plan. Sure, it may bump and stumble all over the place as if it were blindfolded, it still gets the job done though. And for much cheaper than the other models, its 3-inch height helps it easily clean dirt from under furniture, but it doesn't offer as much suction and performance as the other standalone robot vacuums we recommend. Hybrid models, on the other hand, just trickle water slowly on the pad to keep it from drying out. They also are incompatible with cleaning solutions. Floors still get cleaner and shinier than if you didn't mop at all. But it's not as clean as some good old-fashioned elbow grease and a regular mop and bucket. Considering the D-Bot 661's more affordable price point, its long 110-minute runtime and several smart features, for now, it's the best hybrid model for most people. Coming in at number 5, iRobot Roomba S9 Plus. It's not only that the iRobot Roomba S9 Plus is the most powerful robot vacuum on the market, its charging base sets it apart from almost every robot vacuum out there because it allows the S9 to empty its own bin. When the S9's bin is full, it'll automatically return to its base, empty itself, and resume cleaning where it last left off. The S9 Plus offers a wider cleaning path than its predecessor, the i7 Plus, and it's equipped with 30% wider dual rubber brushes. Both pet and human hair won't get tangled or caught around the brushes at all. It all goes straight to the bin. Its increased suction also allows it to suck up debris deep within the ground on hard flooring and embedded in carpets of all thickness levels. The vacuum is faster, it climbs over thresholds, and rooms transitions better, and it navigates almost perfectly. The S9 Plus can remember multiple floor plans too, in the event you ever want to move it to additional floors of your home. Coming at number 4, NEATO Robotics BOTVAC D7. The range-topping D7 BOTVAC offers best-in-class, laser-guided mapping and navigation tech that sets it apart from all of its competitors. Believe it or not, it's similar technology that is used in self-driving cars. This robot vacuum moves in straight lines instead of random patterns. The laser tech also allows the vacuum to easily avoid obstacles and clean in the dark. We found that it performs better than Roomba vacuums on hard floors for clearing messes, since Roomba vacuums typically push debris around slightly more. So if you have a child who is constantly throwing cereal, it'll suck everything up without requiring you to lift a finger. It's also a good choice for users who have large floor plans or homes with multiple stories. That's because the D7 offers an impressive 2-hour runtime. It can also store multiple floor plans, so you can finish cleaning one story, then carry it upstairs to clean the second floor of your home. The vacuum supports voice commands by Alexa or the Google Assistant. The D7 also has a zone cleaning feature where you can tell the vacuum to clean specific rooms or areas of your house. So if you only want to clean the kitchen before guests arrive for dinner, you can instruct the vacuum to do so without having it clean your entire floor plan. If you're looking for a wicked good robot vacuum with superior suction, outstanding navigation tech, and a convenient app, the NEATO BOTVAC D7 is worth your consideration. Number 3. iRobot Roomba 960. We can't recommend the Roomba 960 enough for pet owners who desperately want to keep pet hair on their floors down to a minimum. What sets it apart from the competition is its dual brushes, which are all rubber and avoid pet hair tangles better than any other brush on a robot vacuum. The Roomba 960 has a high-efficiency filter which traps 99% of cat. Even better, it cleaned faster than the S9 Plus and i7 models, which are significantly more expensive. Its battery lasts about 75 minutes, which unfortunately isn't as long as other robot vacuums. It still should be long enough for most medium-sized floor plans though. If it doesn't finish before dying, it'll return to its base, recharge, and start up where it left off. An accessory dubbed the dual mode virtual wall barrier looks like a 4-inch tall lighthouse. You place it on the ground to create a virtual wall or circular perimeter next to the space you don't want the Roomba to travel to. Coming at number 2, Eufy ROBOTVAC 11S Max. If you love the idea of having a robot clean your floors with just the push of a button, but don't want to spend an arm and a leg, don't fret. The Eufy ROBOTVAC 11S Max is a powerful, yet affordable robot vac that caters to shoppers on a budget. This vacuum isn't the cheapest Eufy vacuum on the market. Its price floats around $250. Eufy sells a similar vacuum, dubbed the 11S, for approximately $30 cheaper. That model offers 53% less suction. We think spending a little more for the increased suction is definitely worth it, since the vacuum will clean your floors more effectively. An editor at CNET said the 11S Max is a solid robot cleaner that's at the best value. He raved about its bare floor cleaning performance, but harped on its basic navigation system. What we loved about the 11S Max is how unassumingly amazing it is. It's a beast at sucking up debris and performs just as well as robot vacuums that are twice the price. We're big fans of its twin side brushes, which help it clean better along the edges, compared to most other round robot vacuums. So if savings are important to you, the 11S Max is definitely worth considering for its excellent cleaning performance. While the 11S Max lacks smart features, it does include a nifty remote control so you can adjust suction speed, enable spot cleaning mode, or send the vacuum off to clean immediately or at a set time. Number 1. iRobot Roomba E5. When it comes down to it, a robot vacuum needs to be 3 things: agile, thorough, and versatile. The Roomba robot vacuum is all that and then some. It's the best robot vacuum you can buy for its ability to navigate, clean both hard flooring and carpet, and its repairability. The vacuum is about 3.5 inches tall. Its lower profile helps it to clean more effectively under furniture. You can start it with an easy-to-use app or by pushing a large button at its center. The E5 is packed with almost all the sensors you'd possibly need. It has a cliff detection sensor to keep it from falling down stairs, and a dirt detect sensor, which is exactly what it sounds like. When your robot finds more dirt than usual concentrated in one area, it will go back over the spot and clean it until the spot is completely clean. It has a large 500mm bin, and the only Roomba bin that's larger is the 960 series, which we recommended for pet owners. The only minor complaint we have with the E5 is that we wish it was equipped with better navigation tech. More expensive robot vacs use cameras, lasers, and advanced algorithms to get around. The E5 is a bump and run robot, meaning it will travel in a straight line until it hits something, then it turns around, adjusts itself, and moves forward. It repeats this process until the battery dies. When that happens, it'll automatically go back to its base, recharge, and resume exactly where it left off later on, in the event there's more ground to cover. Although the bump and run method of cleaning sounds ineffective, it's actually quite common and still gets the job done. And since you can schedule cleaning with the app, the vacuum will clean automatically without you even having to think about it. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best robot vacuum cleaners. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.